Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you one of the best free text-to-video tools available today, Seaart.ai Film Video Model. It's a true creative powerhouse, watermark-free, completely free to use, and more than enough to kickstart your journey as a creator. Getting started is simple. Just sign up for a free account on Seaart.ai and explore the free trial option, which gives you 3 days to try out premium features. Once inside, click Make Videos in the top right corner, then select Text to Video. For this demo, I'm using the free version with the standard generation model, setting it to 9:16 aspect ratio for a short video with a 5-second duration. Seaart also provides built-in sound options, effects, and elements that you can customize to your liking. After generating, you can always regenerate or edit your prompt to refine the results. The outcome is smooth, creative, and exactly what I was hoping for. If you found this helpful, stay tuned. I'll be sharing more amazing AI tools soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.